Hello everyone. Today's question is 3 minus 4 bracket 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1 bracket 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now, if we remove the brackets and multiply, it's minus 1 times minus 1. When you multiply minus by minus, it becomes plus. 1 times 1 is 1. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer, according to the BODMS rule. First, we will solve the brackets. After that, we handle division and multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So here, inside the bracket, 3 minus 4 gives us minus 1. Now, let's write the further solution. 3 minus 4, and in brackets, minus 1. Now, when we remove the brackets, we'll multiply. So it's 3 minus 4 times minus 1. When we multiply minus and minus, it becomes plus. So 3 minus minus becomes plus 4 times 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. This is the right answer.